Yeah, I figured as much.
So
Oh man.
It's alright.
where are we going to try and go?
Up to the green thing. Actually, we should
Yeah,
probably
GPS.
we need a fire and food because I'm hungry.
Yeah.
And,
Oh.
ooh, cannibal.
Okay, I see what you did.
Chris, did you figure out like the lighter and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, another one. Oh.
Oh, come here, buddy. I can't get my lighter
I can
out.
barely see right now.
I know. I'm trying to figure out how to get the lighter out, but it's not like.
L for me is what brought the lighter out.
Yeah, same.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I found it. Now the cannibal's gone.
Okay, if you turn up all the
Kelvin's got that.
brightness,
Oh no, that was a bad idea, Kelvin. Good idea. Get a vantage point, but it made him the target. He just got smoked.
I just got a skin pouch.
Very
I've
nice.
seen that. Like, I don't know what those are for. But
What? Okay, I was gonna say, if that thing didn't catch it on fire, I thought it was gonna be a little heated.
I got 2 meat I'm putting on.
I got one going on. I only need one, really.
Yeah, I need both very badly.
Hey, I'm finally not tired.
I'm finally not gonna be hungry and everything's not gonna be blinking.
Oh, I understand what the skin pouch is.
What?
It's
Old
like
skins.
little, what you call it? Resource packs.
Who's like gagging right now? Is that
I
me?
don't know, someone just ate another steak.
I didn't eat anything. I'm at full.
I ate one.
Isaac. Someone ate 2, because I only ate 1 and now they're both gone.
Oh, you can. That's kind of cool.
What?
You can actually change the color for the light on the.
Inventory.
It really doesn't make a difference because it looks all.
How do you do
Dark.
that?
It's just cool. Except those white knobs.
Yeah, I'm having mine set to purple. I like it.
I'm doing mine on blue, I think. Like the dark blue.
Oh.
So where are we headed to?
On the GPS, if you look, zoom out. It's that, like, green dot that's pulsing near us.
The closest one to us. I guess it's kind of like... Oh, which
Got a
way
river
is
connected
north?
to it.
I guess it'd be east from here,
Yeah, I see.
I'd assume.
Yeah.
Thinking
Yeah.
that this map
Are
is
you
like the last
By the
one.
river? By.
Yeah, it's along the river. So we can just hit the
Okay.
river. Or we can honestly just follow this road. It'll take us.
Ah! Chris, slow down.
Why?
'Cause I'm way behind.
Alright, now I'm tired, hungry, and thirsty again. What the fuck?
I'm thirsty, but I'm not hungry or tired. Don't have a lot of energy, though.
Yeah, same.
My strength's pretty bad right now.
Dude, I hate that. My guy, like, whistles when he breathes. He's like,
Yeah, my guy's doing that too.
like,
Well, you
oh,
gotta
dude.
think about it.
Got asthma.
Yeah. Let's see. Well, I got turned around. Okay. Let me kill
Oh,
the squirrel.
shit. I found another village. It's on our right. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
I'm following
I
They
hear
found me.
cannibal.
They found me.
Yeah, I'm just following Pat too. I hear cannibal though, like breathing behind me. Come on, Kelvin.
Yeah, they're all over behind me. I can hear them.
I got Kelvin to keep me company.
I'm running towards
I
Chris.
hear it, but I don't see it.
I'm out of energy.
I hear something like thump. Oh, that's a moose. Jesus.
Found a
That's
little
nice
pond.
little clearing. Water.
I need water.
Oh, I need food. No.
Yeah,
And
I need that too.
Guys, hold on. I found something.
How do you drink?
You have to unequip your spear.
Oh.
Dude, that moose does thump.
Yeah.
Anyone have food? Or do we have shelter?
I do not have food. I need it too. And shelter, I think Kelvin can make it if we need him to.
Hold on, guys. I swear I just saw a turtle in here.
Build a shelter, Kelvin.
Found it. Alright. Turtle taken.
Oh, it's
How much
coming
meat did you
daytime,
get?
of course.
Now I'm tired.
Yeah, I gotta go to bed now before it fully becomes daytime. Alright, it's set up.
Another turtle.
Isaac,
What? Oh,
wait on you.
now it's gonna be like nighttime.
Nope, it's day.
Still, I think it's, yeah, it's starting to become nighttime now.
Hey, a camp.
Yeah, I still need some fucking food.
Wait, is this... This isn't even it. We're not even halfway there yet, guys.
No.
I hear sad music, though.
Food! Oh, give it to me.
Oh, who turned off the radio?
Whoops. I could just slept here.
Coconut Cherry, Future Bar. Protein for when you need
I
it
didn't-
most.
Where's the food?
I didn't see any food
Nowhere.
either.
It wasn't food, it was a drink.
Oh, there's a moose.
Oh, you can trade.
This is funky. I like it.
Yeah, I'm kind of digging it.
I'm moving on because we need food.
Yeah, let's go to that river. Get out my map.
Actually, I should have... Hold on, I got a couple of turtles if we can make a fire.
I found some food, so.
Oh.
I still need some.
Well, it's only blueberries and it barely did anything for,
It doesn't do anything.
Ooh, there's probably
most
turtles in this pond.
There's a lot of fucking moose. Or meese.
Meese. I think the correct plural term is meese.
Yeah. Meese.
I love how you have a compass,
There's
mini
cannibals.
map, and the GPS.
I just tripped over a cannibal.
Wait, have what?
Look around your health. You have the mini map, then you also have the GPS.
Wait, where's the mini map?
Where your health and stamina
Oh,
bar.
down there. Yeah, yeah. That's, yeah. I mean, doesn't really show much though.
I found what
Found the green marker.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Kelvin's way
golf
behind
cart.
though. He's back there.
A golf cart. Oh,
Oh,
you
another
can
one.
dig right here,
Wait,
but
guys, is Kelvin down?
Whoops.
no. I see him on the thing still. He's just following us.
Yeah, but he's like way behind. Is he moving?
Hmm. It's alright. At least he's by the... I don't know. Nah. I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Construction equipment? Golf cart?
Hmm.
Multiple golf carts? Wait. There's a tape back here.
Yeah. You can dig up this spot over here a bit. On the
But how
fucking
do you
shovel.
make a shovel?
Exactly.
Alright.
I don't know what the purple things are on the map.
I'm gonna go check one out.
Oh, you
I'm
just
going
went
to the
right
one
past that
that's
big old
closest.
crate. Ooh, a zipline rope.
Dude, those purple things are far away.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we could go to the one that's kind of up and left, but it's gonna take like 20 minutes to get there.
A squirrel.
Oh, I already know.
Anyways, I need a fire first, because I need food.
Yeah, I need to find something to kill it.
I got one.
If you guys come near me, I'm gonna make a fire.
Where you little bastard?
Oh, shit.
How do you?
Catch these?
I'm so confused. How am I supposed to create fire?
I know, right?
You go
I
to your
just
build
tell
book.
Calvin to do it.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to
You
do it.
can go to your build book and then switch mode, and then at the very top it should say like tent, and at the bottom it'll
Yeah,
say
I
like
just-
basic fire. And then once you have that out, like the basic fire out, like get out of your book, and then pick up like what you need in your inventory. So start off with the sticks. Then
Which
it'll
is-
like prompt you to like place it on the ground.
So I need more sticks then. Because I need to learn how to build this. So.
Oh, cannibal.
Oh, two of them.
There's like different like types or like tribes of cannibals, because these ones are like skittish, don't really care.
It probably is then.
Oh, I might
There's
go
like
down.
ones that like do. There's like one with, like a gold fucking mask.
Got him. But I'm almost dead.
Huh. I don't get this. Why is it not working? It's not giving me the prompt to do anything.
You just gotta You gotta hold the stick in your hand and then look at the ground, and you'll click.
Okay.
And then he'll break
That
the stick
explains
over
it.
your knee and start building a fire.
That makes sense, son.
Yeah, I need some fucking food.
Yeah, I'm throwing a bunch of steak down.
Steaks tonight, boys.
How many buckshots do you guys have?
Let me see. 10 9mm ammo, 4 buckshot, and 6 slug.
I got no buckshot.
I
Yeah,
got some
one.
shotgun ammo.
I got 9mm and slugs.
I got a turtle. Oh, you don't get turtle shells somehow.
Isaac, are you eating this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I just need sleep, but I think I'll be okay without that.
Messed up.
Oh, I get it. If it's burnt, it doesn't do very much. So you actually have to get it when it's good.
Yeah.
So whoever put that meat on there should probably eat it.
It's not good yet.
It's green.
I ate one earlier that's still raw.
Well then, how do the colors work?
I don't know.
Alright, so if I have to cross this river to get to that road, takes us to that. Are we going to that purple marker? Is that where we're going?
We were going to the purple.
Alright,
What?
let's go to that road.
Alright. You say we going to the purple one?
Yeah.
Chris, you're going the long way.
I know, I realized that after the fact. But it's cool, I can make a beeline there now.
There's a,
I have to make a shelter here soon.
well, there's our campsite here. Music playing and shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. I'm running back. I'm
coming to
running
me.
back.
I got you.
Here. Yeah, the two of them.
I think I just hit a bystander squirrel.
That's fine.
I wouldn't drink this water.
I probably not.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we
Oh,
have struggles
jeez.
like everyone else. These are my friends. This is my life.
Explosives.
And
Getting
this is Dana
starting to
Point,
lag.
California.
Already?
Fridays at 9 on KXTV.
Does he have? He does.
Here's an
Better
axe.
axe. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Yep, my game just crashed.
No.
How? It's been running already.
Because this.
Oh,
I was liking the synthwave music, but
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to switch it. I was trying to.
no, that's what it was. It was I had switched
what's
it.
going on?
And I wasn't playing that anymore.
You know what's messed up?
What?
I'm gonna have to go get all that again.
Vizzy energy drink.
Because we didn't save.
Yeah, you could have saved right here too.
You're literally staring at it.
Yeah, I didn't have time this. Because I was trying to get that axe and then the system crashed. Again.
That's upsetting.
I could save right here. And then well, you haven't been kicked off yet, so I don't know if...
Could try to save real quick and leave.
Well, if he's already crashed, you can't do anything.
Well, I'm joining back
Like,
in.
but if, okay. I was gonna say if you like saved and like left.
I don't know if it'd work that way. I'm gonna wait and see if he can get back in.
Yeah.
Oh, he disconnected.
Yeah.
Ooh, booze. Oh shit.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
Alright. I will rate right here and survive. Where's Kelvin? Oh god, cannibal. Oh, it's Kelvin.
I'm back.
You're back. Tim left. He said he'd be right back.
Alright.
I am back.
Oh, he's back. Alright, well, I went and got Kelvin while you guys were gone. So he's back.
Fuck yeah. Alright, now I'm all good. I got
Alright, guys. Are we gonna go
health and shit.
beeline? We're gonna go beeline straight for... Oh, Chris isn't back in yet. I just invited him.
Yeah, I'm still loading in.
Cannibal. Dead cannibal.
Pretty sure I can make some tech armor. I think I have everything for it.
There's another cannibal.
I just need... Oh, I don't have that. Oh, I have an MRE pack.
Nice. How'd you get that?
I don't know, I guess I picked it up. It'd be very nice to have.
Well, this is some bullshit.
Oh, you're way back. Oh my god. Do you have anything?
No, I just spawned in with nothing. Again.
Printer resin.
It's fine.
Well, I guess you can speed run through it like you've been telling us. You'll be here in no time. We'll just keep going. Oh my gosh. I can barely see you on the GPS. Like you're that far away.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, Tim. Oh, fuck, I'm attacked. Ah. Where was it? Where'd it go? I'm
I have
almost
no idea.
dead now. It just almost one hit me.
Actually, let me put the axe in my backpack real quick.
I'm gonna have to try and make my way up to that spot. So I can get the axe.
Oh, there it is.
I'm also,
It's running away.
Come here, bitch. Yeah, see, like, those ones are, like, more skittish.
Alright, Tim, are we gonna go straight for the purple dot, or are we gonna take the road there?
Yeah, let's just go straight for it if we can.
Alright, up the hill.
I wish we could
Maybe.
mark on the GPS that spot.
I mean, you probably can.
I mean, I have a general idea of where it is. It's not really hard to find it.
Yeah, I mean, you can see it. It's on the road. Oh, I need food.
Yeah, I'm finally, for the first time, doing good. I actually have everything I need. Probably gonna need to eat here in a minute, but that's about it.
Wait.
My GPS is like... You're just making that noise too?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what it... Oh, it's gotta be the purple thing.
Yeah.
I went too far left, or too far right.
Or if it's like a underground, like, bunker.
Mine's beeping faster, though.
Yeah.
Mine's beeping
I'm in a
very...
little bit of a
mine's
danger.
freaking out.
Yeah.
It's like a constant...
Uh,
I don't think we can... Oh, yeah, we can probably jump down over here.
there's some rope right here. Oh
Rope?
no! Oh no! Oh no!
Did you fall?
I fell, but I'm alive.
Hey, rope. I'm just gonna take a smaller fall.
Oh,
Alright, what is this beeping sound? It's gotta be over here. Ooh, cannibal. I think maybe it was talking about the... Oh.
Oh, what?
I wonder if there's like something we have to go into to get in.
Got him. There was a dead guy hanging off the cliff, and I threw my spear up there. I lost my spear, but I got the dead guy
Oh,
down.
GPS locator. Ooh, flashlight. You get
Why
a
is it
flashlight
still-
too?
No,
You can get a flashlight?
no, but I don't understand why my GPS is still freaking out.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think you have
I had to
to
turn
you have
it
to pick
off.
up the locator from him.
Oh, the locator can be switched to.
Ooh, open
different-
up the silk pouch. What I get? Got some coins. 2 energy bars. Alright, I can finally make a bow.
Bro.
Whoa, what happened?
Oh, he ran away. Never mind.
Hey, yo, guys, I'm gonna need your help down here.
I don't think we can get there. How far? Wait, you're that way? I thought you were the other way. Oh no, I see. It's upside down.
I'm making some arrows real quick.
Don't worry, I got it.
Cool. Because I don't think we would have made it back there.
Yeah.
They were a lot easier than I expected.
Alright.
Now I'm making my way back up to you guys.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh. Sweet. Fuck that guy. I don't know what the GPA or GPS locator does, but I don't see it in my inventory.
I don't know what we need to do now. Oh, Chris is almost here.
Yeah. Said you do or you don't?
I don't.
Yeah, I don't know what that did. I mean, there's 3 of us. We could try going up to this cave up here.
I'm down.
And then when we come out, we could try making a base near the river or something.
Yeah, give me a second. I need to heal real quick.
Yeah, I got a bow, so I'm doing alright.
I'll be right back. Actually, Tim, we could use some food and sleep if you want to have Kelvin build a shelter.
There we go. Do that.